In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony begins in this timeless tale, where our hearts begin to spin. Through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather, ever true and when warm. So let the winds carry our love's sweet refrain in this cinematic song, where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat, our souls entwine in this epic love story, yours and mine. The valleys deep and mountains high will walk hand in hand. Beneath the painted sky and in every glance, a universe unfolds, where love's boundless journey forever holds. With every word we script our destiny in this grand adventure, adventure begins. With every venture will love set, forever holds her where love's ends.
In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony begins in this timeless tale, where our hearts begin to spin. Through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather, ever true and warm. So let the winds carry our love's sweet refrain in this cinematic song, where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat, our souls entwine in this epic love story, yours and mine. Through the valleys deep and mountains high, we'll walk hand in hand. Beneath the painted sky, in every glance unfolds, where love's boundless journey forever holds. With every word we script our destiny, this grand adventure where love sets us free. Through every tear, through every smile, our love will conquer every trial. So let the winds carry us journey, forever holds. With every word we script our destiny, in this grand adventure where love sets us free. Through every tear, through every smile, our love will conquer every trial. So
In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch a symphony begins in this timeless tale, where our hearts begin to spin. Through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather, ever true and more. So let the winds carry our love's sweet refrain every glance a universe unfolds where love's boundless journey forever holds. With every word we script our destiny in this grand adventure where love sets us free. Through every tear, through every smile, our love will conquer every trial and more. So let the winds carry our love sweet refrain in this cinematic song where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat, our souls.
In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alive. With every touch, a symphony begins in this timeless tale where our hearts begin to spin. Through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather ever true and warm. So let the winds carry our love's sweet refrain in this cinematic song where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat, our souls entwine in this epic love story, yours and mine. Through the valleys deep and mountains high, we'll walk hand in hand beneath the painted sky. In every glance, a universe unfolds where love's boundless journey forever holds. With every word, we script our destiny in this grand adventure where love sets us free. Through every tear, through every smile, our love will conquer every trial. In the hush of twilight, where the shadows softly play, two hearts find solace in the dying light's embrace. A story unfolds in whispers of the night, where love's tender dance ignites the stars alight. With every touch, a symphony begins in this timeless tale where our hearts begin to spin. Through every trial, through every storm, our love will weather ever true and warm. So let the winds carry our love sweet refrain in this cinematic song where dreams and hearts are slain. With every heartbeat, our souls entwine in this epic love story, yours and mine. Through the valleys deep and mountains high, we'll walk hand in hand beneath the painted sky. In every glance, a universe unfolds where love's boundless journey forever holds. With every word, we script our destiny in this grand adventure where love sets us free. Through every tear, through every smile, our love will conquer
In the quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold. Every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds, shining bright with you by my side. Everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs, we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll